Pricing is boundaries. It's also care. It's care for us and the people we're working for. Um, it's about choosing sustainability over self sacrifice and guilt. Um, so I made a recent decision. I had this offer piece where I was offering this experience points aspect where people could join with, the more they participate, the more access they get. And that's still kind of the case, but I'm shifting more to a lower tier offer where the lowest level is $9 a month, and that's my blog. And that's where I put all my intellectual property. And I'm no longer going to focus on that XP building piece.